Hi guys, Sarah Lee here with MyCarlady. We're going to talk tires today for our tip of the day. So tires expire in 7 years. When you're shopping for tires or even shopping for a used vehicle, you want to check when the tires were made so you have an idea what kind of life is left on them. Now that's not just the tread, which we can see here, but it's the date of manufacture. So when we're talking tires, we're talking a couple things. The first is obviously the tread. We take our penny, turn Lincoln upside down, go to the middle of the tire, and let's make sure his head is buried, that we can't see it. I'll bring it forward one. There we go. So you can see that I've got plenty of tread left. Over here is the size and the style of the tire. It's a 17-inch rim, mud and snow. And as we come down here, follow the DOT line, you'll see that this tire was made the 31st week of 2016. And interesting enough, on this car, we actually have two tires that were made the 23rd week of 2016. Either way, tires age at 7 years. You can't put a tire on that's older than 7 years of age. Tire stores won't do it for you. So if you can, replace all four. If you can't, at least get two of the same identical brand, make, and style so that you have a complete set with the safe tire tread. That's the MyCarlady tip of the day. Thanks so much. We'll see you back soon.